Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the render engine and finding the problematic light. This matters because reflection behavior differs between cycles and EV. Once done, select the specific lamp and lower its strength or size to reduce hot spots. Also check object scale and normals now, because incorrect normals exaggerate reflections. Make sure to switch to rendered view to preview changes in real time and keep the properties panel open so you can tweak intensity, radius, and color while watching the reflection update. Next, dive into the shader editor and identify the glossy node causing the reflection. Altering the roughness softens highlights and explains why reflections spread rather than spike. Once adjusted, mix in a subtle Fresnel or layer weight node to make reflectivity view angle dependent, which improves realism. If you need directional control, use anisotropic or clearcoat with low weight. For fine detail, multiply a low-contrast noise texture into roughness so specular highlights become irregular instead of hard. Finally, employ the light path node to mask specular responses to the camera. This lets you keep physical reflections for other rays while reducing what the camera sees. Alternatively, disable specular on individual lights or use object light linking to exclude a light from a reflective object. If reflections persist, verify normals and use clamp indirect or increase samples to reduce fireflies. One key troubleshooting tip: if tiny bright spots remain, try slightly increasing roughness or lowering light size. That usually removes stubborn specular artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.